Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a quick and easy gluten-free meal idea. Perfect if you're craving a cheeseburger but want to skip the bun. So let's make this simple and delicious cheeseburger bowl. And I used ground chicken, but of course you can use ground turkey, ground beef, whichever you prefer. So now I don't always feel like having gluten-free buns, so I do burger bowls are my go-to, and also gluten-free buns can be a bit pricey. So I just opt for just the bowl, and you'll get all the flavor of a cheeseburger just without the bread. First up, let's start with the base, and that's the fries or the potatoes. I peel both russet potatoes and sweet potatoes because some folks in the house wanted a mix. It's totally up to you which kind you use, but in my burger bowl that you're going to see in this video, I use just russet potatoes, but for some people in the house, I use sweet potatoes. Once you peel, I cut them into cubes or I dice them up. I season them with olive oil and garlic powder, paprika, salt, Mrs. Dash, and you see all the spices that are on the screen. Now, while those are cooking, let's work on the main star, which is the burger. And today, like I stated, I use ground chicken instead of beef. It's a little lighter and still packed with flavor. I seasoned it with onion powder, garlic powder, Miss Dash, Lowry seasoned salt. You see the black pepper. And I used a bit of, you'll see the Worcestershire sauce. And make sure yours is gluten-free. And I browned the ground chicken in a skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked. And if you're using beef or turkey, it works the same way. And so now you're seeing me put in the onions, and there goes the Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm going to add in some cheese. And now we're going to go ahead and make the burger sauce. So you're going to use all the ingredients I listed on the screen. And I use mayo, ketchup, mustard, some dill relish, and a bunch of seasoning. I also used a little honey. And you're going to give that a mix. And then this is the gluten-free cheeseburger bowl. And it's fulfilling, flavorful, super easy to make. You won't miss the bun at all. And it's perfect if you're gluten-free or just trying to eat fewer processed carbs. And look how good it looks. So if you try this, let me know in the comments what toppings you added to yours. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more recipes like this.